In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a new page on Neocities. So as you can see over here inside my files, I have two pages. The first one is the default one called index.html, and then I also have contact.html. So to make a new page, all you have to do is think of a name you want to give it. So for example, we're going to go to new file up top, and as you can see, it says new file.html, and this is where you can basically create a new page. Now we have to give it a name. I'm just going to name this one page 1. This could be like maybe contact as I have over here. It could be help or whatever. So I'm going to do page1.html. Make sure you don't forget .html because if you do, this will not work. And then click on create. It's going to create your new one over here. Then you can edit it over here just like this. And as you can see, it already has some default HTML over here. And you can go and essentially change it and change whatever you want here inside your page. And this is basically how you create a new page. Now, if you want to know how to link them, I do have a separate tutorial showing you how to link pages between each other, so make sure you go look at that. It's on my YouTube channel, and yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.